forces out. We have Quick Storm, Best to begin, Security Joy, Abitron in the middle, then followed by My Little Grace. Loretta comes next alongside Asia Bez, then followed by Moscovado, My Paho Special, Will of Fame, Danori inside Mirabal, and Tono Zama is the early trailer. Into the turn they go. Security Joy by about 2 lengths. Quick Storm in second. Danori outside third. Obitron. Mirabal is racing in fourth alongside Moscovado. Moving up Loretta, My Little Grace, Wheel of Fame, then followed by Asia Best, My Paho Special, and Tono Sama still racing in last. And still Security Joy by about 2 lengths. Obitron now in second. Mirabal, then here comes Moscovado. Now moving up party outside third. Quick Storm, and it's still Security Joy by about 2 lengths. Obitron still in second. Moscovado in third. Security Joy by about 2.5 lengths. And in second still is Obitron, moving up now in third. Ice Mirabal as they come down at the last 200. Security Joy by about 5 lengths now. Obitron still in second, moving up down on the inside is Moscovado, Loretta, entering the finish line. It's Security Joy. Second, close between Moscovado, Obitron, then comes Loretta, My Paho Special.
Sino yung panganim?
Wheel of Fame.
Will of Fame.